Are you looking to make money with cryptocurrency? Well, the first step for you to do is to do your research. But you know what? Now you don't have to, because I did it for you. And today we're going to talk about how you can make money with cryptocurrency. Let's do this. The first way to making money with cryptocurrency is through crypto mining. Okay. Now I got an article here by tokenmetrics.com, and they explain different methods and ways on how to go about making money with your cryptocurrency in your wallet, your digital wallet, etc. Okay. So we're going to go over the first step on how to make money with cryptocurrency in 2023. The most common way to make money with crypto is through mining. Mining verifies transactions on the blockchain and adds new blocks of data to the chain. By doing this, miners are rewarded for cryptocurrency for their effort. Mining can be done with specialized hardware or with cloud mining services. Every time you have crypto and you mine it, it verifies those transactions on the blockchain and adds new blocks of data on the chain. So the more crypto mining you do and the more transactions that you add on the blockchain, it also adds new blocks of data. The more rewards and the more money you get for adding new blocks of data to the blockchain to support it. You don't need to purchase or maintain hardware with cloud mining, but the rewards are usually lower than with hardware mining. It's important to note that mining cryptocurrency is not easy and requires a lot of electricity, so it's essential to do your research before getting started. And they are absolutely right. It does require a lot of electricity for you to hook up all your machines, your mining machines, into all your outlets in your home or your storage unit, whatever you want to do it. But it does cost a lot of money and it's going to run up your electricity bill. So just be aware that that could be an issue, but do your research on it, and maybe it's right for you. Maybe it could work for you. Who knows? But look into it. The second way would be crypto staking. Now, it states here that crypto staking is a method of investing in cryptocurrency that involves holding a certain amount of coins in your wallet for a certain period. By doing this, you are rewarded with a slight interest in your investment. So you can earn passive income from your crypto investments. Basically, the more cryptocurrency that you have in your wallet for a long period of time, you are rewarded a bit of interest on your investment. So you can earn passive income from your crypto investments. How much? I don't know, but you have to look into that and see what those rewards could possibly be for the cryptos that you have in your wallet. Let's continue. The interest you can earn depends on the cryptocurrency and the number of coins you are staking. Some cryptocurrencies offer higher rewards than others, so it's crucial to do your research first. You can't just go out there and buy any coin and expect that your interest is going to be the same as the other coins you have in your wallet. It doesn't work that way. It depends on which coins you have and what are the popular ones, which ones are the ones that are booming, which ones are just at 50% stable, which ones aren't doing so well. So you have to look into that. And what does it say here? It's crucial to do your research first, because each coin has its own interest when you're trying to hold your investment for crypto staking. Step 3 is trading. Trading cryptocurrency is another popular way to make money with crypto. This method involves buying and selling cryptocurrency on a crypto exchange. You can take advantage of the price fluctuations and profit by doing so. Now, when you do that, you have to understand technical analysis. You have to understand chart patterns. You have to understand what kind of news is being pushed out on that day or during the week. Because if you miss those things, then you can possibly lose your money if you're in a long position or in a short position, and you don't want that happening. Let's continue. Note that trading cryptocurrency is risky and can result in losses. Therefore, learn your basics before you start trading. You can learn your basics off of anything, as in TradingView, or just Google how to trade cryptocurrency on an exchange. I suggest you YouTube it because it's a more in-depth on how to actually trade cryptocurrency and the type of patterns to look for, or what type of manipulations that they go by. So you can definitely take advantage of that on YouTube or any other platform that you think is best for your crypto trading. 4, investing. Investing in cryptocurrency is a great way to make money with crypto. You can invest in individual coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, or you can invest in a cryptocurrency index fund. This is a great way to diversify your portfolio and spread your risk. So basically, you can just buy and hold right? Like a lot of people are doing with Bitcoin and Ethereum stated in the article. You can also invest in the crypto index fund. Now, where would you find the crypto index fund? Well, websites such as TradingView have crypto index funds, and you can also find the fluctuations of price with on Bitcoin and Ethereum on TradingView. And no, I'm not sponsored by TradingView. I use TradingView myself to trade price fluctuations on a daily basis, but that is the platform I use to check out charts and what price is actually doing in real time. Let's continue. When investing in cryptocurrency, make it a point to research and understand the risk you will take. Use that brain of yours and actually figure out what is good for you. Crypto lending would be our fifth option on how to make money with cryptocurrency. Crypto lending is another way to monetize crypto. It involves lending your cryptocurrency to someone else in exchange for interest. The interest rate you receive will depend on the type of cryptocurrency you are lending and the amount you are lending. What kind of crypto are you holding and what kind of crypto are you lending? It depends on what kind of interest you're going to receive, plus the amount that you're going to be lending as well. You can't just go out there and lend Bitcoin and expect for some lower coin to have the same interest as Bitcoin when you're lending it to someone else. You can't expect that. That's not reasonable. That's not logical. Do your homework on what interest and what percent of return you'll be receiving when you're crypto lending on different coins, because you need to know in order to lend properly to other people and to know how much you're going to be receiving in return. Sixth way would be earning interest. Okay, cryptocurrency can help you earn interest on your investments. It is done through a yield farming process where you lend your cryptocurrency to a platform in exchange for interest. The amount of interest you gain will solely depend on the platform and the type of cryptocurrency you're lending. So it's basically the same thing as lending that we just spoke about, but this one goes more into what kind of platform that you're going to be using, because each platform will have their own interest percentage on the money that you're going to be lending out, depending on the size that you're choosing to lend out to other people. Check out different platforms that offer that option or those programs, and you can see which one works for you depending on how much you want to lend out, and see what kind of interest you're going to be receiving from the amount that you're choosing to lend out. Affiliate programs. Many cryptocurrency exchanges offer affiliate programs, allowing you to earn commissions on referred customers. By referring customers to an exchange, you can earn a percentage of the transaction fees they pay. It is a great way to make money with crypto without having to do any trading or any investing. Basically, the more you refer to that platform, the more money you make on cryptocurrency, etc. Okay, it's just a referral, and you can earn a percentage, as it states here, of transaction fees they pay, and you can add that to your portfolio, which is pretty nice. Affiliate programs can be very competitive, so list out your best finds. Many great affiliate programs are available in the market, so research and find the most profitable ones. They're absolutely right. You have to research which affiliate programs are actually worth joining, because they are very competitive. So you need to know what you're getting into. You can't just think, oh, I got 10 people in my head that I know can sign up. It's more than just 10 people. You have to get more referrals to earn more To earn more commissions to add to your portfolio and to earn a percentage of the transactions fees they pay. So in order to earn that, the more you need to refer to the platform. Last but not least, we have ICOs. Initial coin offerings are a type of investment involving buying a company's token issued in exchange for cryptocurrency. ICOs are a great way to make money with crypto, as they can offer high returns on your investment. However, it's essential to be aware of the risk involved. Many ICOs are scams and can result in losses, so ensure the ICO is legitimate before investing. I cannot agree and more than what they just stated. There are a lot of companies out there that are offering, to buy the company's token in exchange for cryptocurrency, but that token is meaningless. Some of these scam companies do it just to have you come in, give your information, and now they have that, and they will exchange for cryptocurrency. but it's false. Make sure you do your research so you don't get scammed on anything, on any platform, or on any initial coin offerings at all. Okay, so make sure you look into that and you are positive that those platforms that you're thinking about going with are actually what they say they are. All right, guys, if this video was very informative for you guys, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out, and I'm trying to build a more of an easy and well, thought out YouTube channel that involves cryptocurrency, and trying to put out the best knowledge that I can for everybody. So it's good to get a head start now so that you know what to do now so that you're not gonna do it last minute in the future. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate all of you. Until next time.